Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Moto G45. Make sure battery is above 20% and your lock method is ready. Once done, swipe down twice from the top to reveal quick settings, then tap the gear icon to open settings. You do this because access paths vary by Android customization, so open display or system UI entries to find control center options. Now tap the control center entry. This is the first actionable step toward changing layout, toggles, and placement. You now modify the control center layout and toggles so it fits your workflow. First, choose layout to change grid size or collapsed view. This affects how many icons you see at once. Then tap Edit or the pencil icon, drag desired toggles into place, and remove what you don't use. This reduces clutter and speeds access. Make sure to apply or save your changes. If gesture options exist, enable them now so pulling down behaves the way you expect, while locked or unlocked. You finish by testing your new control center. Swipe down and confirm the layout, toggles, and any gestures work as intended. If something didn't apply, reboot the Moto G45 first. That resolves most UI hiccups. If the issue persists, clear the Settings app cache and Apps right arrow Settings right arrow Storage. This forces a fresh configuration read. Only use Reset Defaults as a last resort, because that erases your custom setup. Doing so restores stable behavior. When edits fail, repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.